Welcome to Have a Happy Arty Time. My name's Janette and I'm back with some more acrylic ink and pastel on the Gelli Plate. So I have my line drawing here and I'm just placing it underneath the Gelli Plate. Cutting out around my drawing now, and I'm going to use this piece to draw my charcoal over the top of, and then I'm going to place that down on the Gelli Plate in line with the drawing underneath. Just rubbing gently over the top of the image so that I can transfer the charcoal onto the Gelli Plate. Now to use my black acrylic ink, and I'm going to outline my drawing again using my skewer, which is tied to the little feather. And now some water on top of my pastel, and away we go with colouring in the image. The image is coloured in lovely with the pastel, and I'm just going to apply the white acrylic paint onto the top of the image in a thin layer. And now for the paper on top, and give that a good rub down. And placing the heavy books on top and leaving it for about 10 minutes. And it's coming up just beautifully. It's still a little wet, so I'm just being very careful with it. And here we go. Now we're going to leave this to dry completely, and then start with just fixing up the image a little bit, adding a few highlights, some more black ink around the outlines. I'm going to then add some more pastel on top and just check the eyes, make sure that they're looking okay. And then I'll be adding my usual white gouache just to bring things together. So just finishing off the image now using the pastels. It looks really beautiful. I'm so happy with this. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's just such a fun process, nice and simple, and here we are. Beautiful images on the Gelli Plate, acrylic inks and pastels What a lot of fun. So have a happy arty time and stay safe. Bye for now.